All right, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your air compressor more powerful. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to. This is what I had. I had this hose, as you can see, it's very small. So I was not able to use my impact. You know, there's no power. I can't use it, so it's very weak. So now I'm going to do this upgrade. Okay, so I got this at Arbor Freight. All right, it's 3/8 inch. I'm going to replace this, and then this is the new hose, rubber hose. I'm going to use 3/8 inch, and then there's a big difference. There's a big difference. Okay, so once I'm done, we're gonna have more power, so we can do whatever we want to do. Okay, so now let's remove this. Okay, now we're going to put this one. All right, let me show you this. This is a female. This is a female one. So I couldn't find a male that I could just, screw in the air compressor. So now, what you can do, you can get you a coupling set. It's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, and we're going to. It's like it is an adapter where you're going to put this there, and then you can screw it now. So I was looking for a male one at the store, but I couldn't find it. So now I had to get me, an adapter for it. Okay. So now we can screw it there, and then we should be able to connect the hose, the 3/8 inch hose. So we're gonna have more power when we're done. Okay. All right, so now we're done with this part. Now let's move on to, so we're done upgrading the air compressor. So now it's time to work on the hose. Okay. Okay, so we're good with this part. Okay, now we upgrading. We doing some upgrade on the tool. This is the 3/8" adapter. Make sure it's tight. Don't over tight it. Okay. All right. So now we can use it. All right. This is now you're done. So we should get more power. All right.